The Messengers, POD, Lil G.
One, even tryna curse me too. You're calling the police still, tryna be in love with you. You hurt, breaking everything I have. Please baby, you'll calm down. You're not the only one in pain. It's been a while we're not fighting. Baby, stop. We need to make it right. You want some mind? Please, baby, stay for the night. Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Everything we build, not gonna break it down. We need a round. Things are so bad, baby. Can I see you cry? Promise you no lie. Let's do it now. Oh my God, please stay. Please stay. Eso me duele. Me duele, girl. Tengo un dolor en mi corazón. Eso me duele. Me duele, girl.
Mi corazon è studio, non la maltratti. Me duele belle parti, non pensi perderti. Me duele, me duele, me duele, me duele, me duele si hoy llegas a marcharte. Quiero que sepas que fuiste parte de mí. Me cambiaste, te fuiste, mi corazón partiste. Te entregué todo, me hiciste creer en ti. Ahora solo me quedan lágrimas por ti. Todo eso me duele, solo quiero verte. Mi cuerpo te extraña, solo quiero mirarte, tocarte, besarte, solo una vez más. No es el fin, para mí será si te vas. Mi corazón is yours, I will feel you in my heart. Don't decline it for now, what you have said is not right. I know that it was bad, talking to you like that. Can you forgive for now, promise you won't let you down. Day and night, fighting for a reason. Like, for a simple thing, this is not the end, right? What I forget for the best of our life, long. Speaking loud, won't keep me your side. Why? Getting mad, won't change anything. What? There was no girl, I was my friends. Now, calling pity, ask where I've been. Huh? Who's right between you and now?
Eso me duele.